Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed checking out this 95 Type RA STi. For these cars, it's hard to find information on the internet for them unless you speak Japanese or read and write Japanese, right? And so there's a website, a resource I want to share with you guys, and it's called type-ra.com, and we'll put the link in the description for you. But you simply put in the model code and it pulls up all this information for you. So for example, this is a WRX, right? I'm not going to say nothing special, still JDM WRX. On the plate over here, it has the VIN number, and then it has applied model code, and the applied model code is really unlegible. We'll look at the other one too, but the applied model code is what you're looking for. You'll enter it into the website and then push enter, and now I'll just put it right here so it's a little more stable, and you can look through. So it's a 1998. It shows the manufacture date, what it cost brand new. So this one cost 2.5 million yen. EJ20K, the engine, the transmission, what turbo it came with, and then it shows like production. So they only made 2,221 of this GC8 in that year, and they had 1,162 in white, which is the most common you can see, and you can see the rarity of the color. That's really cool. So for the Type RA, we'll go over to the Type RA stuff, and I'll show you how to do it straight from scratch. So I push the back button here, and then I'm going to type in the applied model code. Let's go over and pop the hood. So this VIN plate's a little more legible, a lot more legible. So side by side, yeah. So GC8 and C4DD, C4DD. And it brings up a blue one, and so that's they made two different models that year, right? So they made the blue one, and then we scroll down, and here it is. This is the one we're looking at here. So it's the white one is going off the model code there. It was 2.7 million yen brand new. Gives you the engine code, EJ20G. We know that this one is closed deck. Transmission code, it shows that it is DCCD. The turbo is a TD05. It comes equipped with the roof vent. And they only made 852 of this model. That's pretty cool. So this website's a really good resource. And so if you have a JDM Subaru, you can use this website to just check it out, check out the facts. And so when you go to a car show or somebody asks, you can say confidently what the car is, what engine it came with stock, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you're going to be able to use that resource that we linked in the bio. If you have a JDM car, it'd be really helpful. And listen, if you haven't, please feel free to subscribe. Like the video if you liked it. Please comment if you have time. But please stick around, okay? So if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get to see in the future OkiSubies' attempt to build the fastest Subaru in Japan. So don't miss it. It's gonna be on a pretty special car. Thanks for watching.